Hey everybody, welcome to another Pro Acoustics Tech Talk. I'm Nathan, and today we are talking about the Yorkville Coliseum Series of stadium speakers. All right, so what I have here today are the Yorkville Sound Coliseum series of what we kind of refer to as stadium speakers. I have the C08 CW and the C12 CW, or the C12 CW, basically, which means C for Coliseum, and then the woofer size. We have an 8-inch woofer here, and we have a 12-inch woofer here in the C12 CW. These are coaxial. Coaxial does not refer necessarily to the cable that goes in the back of your cable box. Coaxial means that the speakers share a center axis. That means we've got a woofer with a high frequency driver in front of it, sometimes behind it, in this case in front of it, that basically projects high frequencies as well as the low frequencies. These have an 8-inch and a 12-inch, as well as a 1-inch compression driver. Compression driver, basically a small circular speaker that generates sound through a horn and projects it out far so that we can throw sound long distances. Both of these are capable of throwing over 120 decibels at their max SPL, which gets very loud and means we can throw them long distances for ball fields. Traditionally, the 8 is going to be used in a shorter throw or medium throw application. Think of like baseball fields or people right next to your press box. That's normally where the 8 comes in, whereas the 12 is going to have a deeper bass response and get louder, closer to like 129 max SPL versus 124 over here. So this can throw further distances with a deeper bass sound. Both are fully all-weather rated, built rock solid, made of a hard like plastic type enclosure, and have a U-bracket as well, and also all-weather plates for the back. Both these can be used in 8 ohm or 70 volt operation. And both carry an IP56 rating, meaning they can get wet, they can get hot, they can get cold, mount on your buildings and be used for your application wherever you need. Perfect for sports fields, like I mentioned. Normally use these a little bit more for like football or soccer, lacrosse, where sound needs to throw a little bit further. Like I said, baseball or softball, or smaller sports, natatoriums, swimming pools, things like that for these, as well as use these a lot in rodeo arenas down here in the South. For places that need something built rock solid that can take a beating and keep on rocking and rolling. If you have questions on these and need to know what kind of speakers you need for your application or what kind of amplifier we can pair it with, feel free to reach out to us. Down below you will see that we have these linked in the product description back to our website, as well as a link to our website, www.proacousticsusa.com. Give us a like so we know you watched, as well as drop us a line down below if we can answer any questions or help with any projects you have going on. Once again, I am Nathan, and until next time, guys, take care.